Hiya folks, a long time not been on the lawnmower scene, but we've got this Etesia Lawnmower. Apparently it's got no drive to it, so let's have a little look around it, see what it's all about. And we're in our new shed, as you can see. I'll do a video on this, the build on this. I'll show you that in another video, but that's where we're working at the moment. Still plenty of work to be done on here. So let's have a look at this Etesia. So this is it. A PHTB. Looks like it's got a Honda engine on it.
2002 this is.
2002. It's got a fancy little drive system up here, look. Not too sure what this is all about. We've got a max and a choke there. We've got this little lever here, which is, I don't know what that is at the moment.
That one's speed.
That's the speed, is it? There's your pull cord on there, coming around here. You've got your levers here for the drive, obviously. You say it's got no drive at the moment.
Well, the gearbox is fine, because if you hold the lever back,
it locks up.
Let go of that.
Right, so the gearbox seems to be okay. Typical Honda engine. It does run and start though, does it?
Perfect, it's just not pulling itself.
Right, let's have a little look. So we're going to try and start it up. It's got petrol in. The petrol's turned off at the moment. Let's just turn that on.
I'll check the oil as well.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a work mower, isn't it, this one?
Yeah.
It's used in a commercial situation, this one, by the looks of it. And that's the information there on it, if you can see that. I've never seen one before. And it's got this sort of a... What's this flexible thing here?
I don't know.
Not too sure exactly.
Spot on.
Yeah, oil's okay. Not too sure what this band does here, whether that's some sort of support. I don't know what it is.
Oh, it looks like...
Cables in there, maybe?
Cables, yeah, they're all down there.
If you look down the bottom there, you can see in there all the cables sort of run in this tube here. So
come out of that one, look.
Yeah.
It's just a cable protector.
Yeah, it's a cable protector. Right, okay, so we're going to just try and start it up. It's being a Honda, it should start up pretty well.
It's on petrol, yeah?
I've put the petrol on. Nothing underneath the thing. Just check the under belt, there's nothing under there. No, just a bit of grass and all that. So get that out of the way. And hopefully, it should start up pretty well, being a Honda.
I don't know if you have to hold the lever in or not, yes.
You got the choke on?
That's the drive. Choke's on. Is there any petrol in it?
Well, that's the other thing.
Full tank.
Plenty, full tank. That's not a safety lever, this thing, is it? Don't know what that is. Again, not used this one before, folks. Don't know anything about it.
That's a lock. Oh, that's a lock.
That's a lock, is it? And what's this one?
You need that to start it, do you?
Oh, well, that's a speed controller, this one. That one's a speed controller. Go on then, try that. No, that's the gearbox, so that's not stopped. And they normally start first time. There we go. Oh, hello. Oh, it's firing. Go on then, I'll hold that. Oh, what was that? Is that how you turn it off?
Yes.
Or you just choked it?
No.
I thought that might be the on. No, that's just.
No, that's a safety switch.
Right. So we heard the clutch,
No drive.
but there was no drive to it. So it did sound a bit ropey, didn't it?
Yeah.
It sounded like a rubbing noise. I don't know whether or not the belt has come off. We're not too sure. So we'll just tip it up, folks. We'll get it upside down and have a little look inside it, and just turn that fuel off again. It's an aluminium deck by the looks of it. It's a nice solid deck. So that's what we've got underneath. So it's some sort of clutch mechanism it's got on that. So we're going to have to take the blade off, take this outer cover off. That will reveal the belt setup. So that's what we're going to do now. Right, so we're going to take the blade off with the impact gun. The blade looks okay. It doesn't look like it's damaged in any way. So what size is that?
13.
13 mil. We'll just sip that blade off. It's on the right way with the flukes pointing upwards. Yeah, we've not worked on lawnmowers for a long time, so this is something different. Again, the weather's lousy outside. So the shed now, folks, as you can probably see now, has been fully insulated. There's the roofing structure, just the way we've done it, to give us maximum head height inside the shed.
Sometimes they have bolts behind there.
Yeah, I know. They do bolt into the engine by the looks of it, so I'll have to just steady that. There might be double nuts underneath it.
Yeah.
There might be nuts. I would say they are because of them, like them spacing bits there. There's probably nuts underneath there so the engine don't drop off like on the cheaper Briggs and Stratton ones when you undo the bottom bolts. How many is that?
4.
Might need to tap with a mallet. There we go. There we go. Aha. So you've got a clutch mechanism there. That bearing looks like it's shot. Loads of slack in that bearing there, look. What's that underneath there? There's a pulley underneath there. There's 2 belts on there by the looks of it. Looks like that belt's off.
Slipped off there, look.
Yeah.
Probably on that plastic.
Yeah, there's a belt. There's a belt off there, folks. Looks like it's jumped off, and there's some crap in there as well. So this is the top belt there, which is, again, the bearings are not great. That's probably what the noise is. But that one at the bottom, or at the back there, is definitely off. That looks like it does the drive. So
yeah, that's the belt. The back belt.
you've got a little brake mechanism there. So yeah, we're going to sort of have a look at this, see how we can get that belt back on, and we'll bring you back in a minute, folks. Right, so we just spun the mower around, so we've just noticed there's some sort of inspection plate on the back here. So we're going to just take that off under the grass bag chute. It's only a couple of screws by the looks of it. And just to see what this can reveal, if anything. Might be able to gain access in there to belts. There's a drive belt down there. That is the drive belt we're looking at, that one in there, look, with a pulley inside there. There's a big pulley in there. Trying to lift that little plastic sheet out, folks, look. There we go.
There we go.
So have we got full access to it there?
Well, that's the...
Is the belt just jumped off?
Yeah, it's just spinning on the out-off pulley.
Right. So you do get full access by taking this inner cover off by the looks of it. We're going to try and locate the belt back on the pulley. It looks like it's just jumped off.
It's on that one, but it's done. The camera can see that. You can see the end of the screwdriver there.
Right.
That's the pulley where it should be sitting.
Right.
But the belt's actually sitting under the pulley on that
Right.
one.
Can't we? Is that an automatic tensioning belt? Is it or what? I don't
I
know.
believe, yeah. As soon as you pull that in, I think it.
It brings the pulley in engaged, does it?
Yeah.
So it's not engaged at the moment.
No, it's off of that back pulley now.
Right.
No, the drive shouldn't be engaged. It shouldn't be. We might have to flip it back up.
Yeah, we'll have to turn it up the other way. Right, let's spin it round again. So at least we've gained access from there now. We can see a bit more, but we just turn it back round again. Lift it right up. Hey?
Yeah, I'll probably that.
Got what?
Yeah.
Yeah, that belt has slipped off the side there, isn't it? May or may not be able to lever that back in. Does that pulley, is that on the tension of that pulley? I'm not sure.
I thought I can't see it. It's not moving.
Is that a tensioner wheel? I'm not too sure. That's what I mean. That pulley moves inwards, doesn't it? That's what I was looking at. Yeah, that's what I mean. So if you can just drop that back in there.
Give another screwdriver to push the belt.
Well, can't you use one of them? Just push it back on the belt. Right, I don't know whether you can see that, folks. You've got a bolt there. There's the belt, which isn't on the back there, but there's this sort of pin that's supposed to keep the belt in place. That pin there. And by undoing that, the belt should hopefully be able to slide back into that pulley. Then we put that bolt back in, and that should hold it in place. For some reason, it's jumped out for some reason. So we're going to undo this pin now and remove that pin, and hopefully flick that belt back on, and that should hopefully get the belt on, and we should have drive again. Don't know whether that nut at the bottom is going to spin.
Yeah.
Would do, wouldn't it?
Long nose, maybe?
Yep, you're about to hold it with that. So let's try and get a pair of long pliers in there.
I think they're...
Go on in. Is it undoing?
Yeah, that's good.
Two-handed job. That's a nylock on the bottom, what I'm holding. Right, I've got the nut off. So that's the nut out, and that pole should drop off now, I would imagine. Got to take that bolt out now, look. Got it?
Yep.
Right, there we go, that's that out of the way. Now hopefully that can drop back on. We can just pop that belt back on now. There you go, there you go. Right, so I need to hold that in place. So if we get that bolt through there first.
Bit towards 11 o'clock, that way.
I can't see what I'm doing.
Hold that phone a minute.
Got it?
Yeah.
Right, that feels like it's got onto a nylock.
Yeah.
Stay where you are. Where's them? Let's just turn that on a little bit. It's alright, it's on there. You got it?
Other one. Right.
That's good. Now there's a nylock, so that should hold on.
That's it, spin it now.
There you go. Right, okay. Right, that's it. So, technically speaking, if we lift that up again now, that looks alright, doesn't it? Yeah, we weren't doing that before. Look, I can actually spin that wheel now, and it's moving on the pulleys.
Yeah.
Which is what it's supposed to be doing. Look at that, look.
Okay.
Right. So if we lift that up then, we put that belt back on and the cover. You just hold on to that handle, Harry. Just hold it down so it don't. That's it, keep it pushed down.
Yeah, it's on this side.
There you go. So it looks like literally the belt has just slipped off. And if it does slip off again, I would suggest it probably needs a new belt.
Yeah.
But that looks all right. I know that bearing's a bit shot, but it should be workable anyway. But
yeah,
it's not collapsed or anything, but it will be noisy. Right, so let's get that back on, that cover. Get them screws back in, then bolts, nuts.
Washer.
Right, blade back on. There we go. Right, okay, so we're going to put the last two screws back in the back panel. Right, that it? Right, that should be it now, so we'll be able to put that on the floor now. Right, you ready? Down she goes. Right. There we go, let's see what this does now.
Put the right gear on.
Right. It's a bit noisy, that bearing, isn't it?
Yeah.
You'd have to tell them that, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah. Probably wants bearings and belts really, doesn't it?
Yeah, could do a bearing. It's back on for the moment, folks, but there we go. Etesia is a French brand, apparently.
Since 1989.
1989, so it is an old one.
This is a 2002 one though.
Eh?
1989 they've been going since.
Oh, right, okay, so that's not 1989, this is 2002.
Yeah.
So it's been going since 1989. Again, aluminium decks, that's why it's not rusted. Very much like a Harry lawnmower in design,
Yeah.
I noticed. So there you go, folks. That's the lawnmower diagnosed now. That's going to go back to the owner. We'll start it up and tell the owner that there's obviously a problem with the belt, the bearings on it, which you can definitely hear, and would recommend a bearing change as well. Apart from that, the gear is working okay. The final drive is all working okay. The gearbox is fine. And we'll leave that one there. Anyway, we'll do a quick update video pretty soon of this shed build. It's not finished yet. We've still got more work to do. So do keep tuned. We're putting the videos out as and when we can. And hopefully when we get this shed finished, we'll be back on the bikes again, folks. So just keep tuned and keep subscribed. Thanks very much. See you in the next video. And until then, bye for now.